Hey guys, in today's video I'll show you two lights. So one fore lamp and one outside solar light. So let's open the solar light first. Let's see. So this is the solar slide. So let's open this one first. These are the solar lights. These are the solar lights. The top portion you can see. And so here is the solar panel. We can open this one and turn on the light on and off. Here is the button. You have to turn on the lights to turn on. Now we can close it like this way. Close it. Open. We can put it in the outside and we'll see in the evening how it works. So here I just put all the solar lights. So you can see I just put this one directly in the ground. We'll check in the evening how it works. You can put it in the wall also because they have given the screw. If you want, you can put it in the wall. So this is how the light looks. It looks really beautiful. I really like it. It has different colors, you can see. But for the first time you just have to turn on the light by opening this black solar panel. There is a little button, you just have to turn on for the first time. Yeah, this is how it looks. I will turn off the other light and I will show you how it looks in the dark. So this is how it looks. It looks beautiful. You can decorate it for your pathway, for your garden, porch, everywhere. You can use this light for decoration. Yeah, this is really beautiful. You can definitely try this one. Yeah, I love it. So next open this floor lamp. Floor lamp. It comes with one remote control. We can see the remote. It's the charger. pretty heavy. It's magnet. Now I'll connect this one. So now we'll turn on. This is 3000K. So these are the different mode you can try. And you have also settings for 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour settings, so we can use that one. This is red, green, blue. Oh. Oh, this is blue, red, green. Oh, wow. So mostly I prefer this one, but you can change it to red, green, blue. Oh, this is another option. So overall I like this light. I don't have much complaint about it. The way they have mentioned it works the similar way. The floor stand is also good. So yeah. They have also another buttons here. So you can change here also. Some magnet. So that's the good part of the light. You will not miss the remote. So yeah, most of the case I lost the remotes for most of the lights. So this is the good one that I can put the remote here. You can definitely try this one. Yeah, it's a good one. So I hope you like this video. If you like it, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.